In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your Microsoft Teams meeting. Hi, I'm Josh from Vmaker, and let's get started. If you want to record a Microsoft Teams meeting where you don't have the permission to record the meeting, or you don't want anyone in the meeting to know that you're going to be recording it, then you'll need a third-party app like Vmaker to do it. Vmaker is a screen recording tool that lets you record your screen, webcam, and audio together. To start recording your meetings, the first thing that you'll have to do is install Vmaker. Visit www.vmaker.com and create an account using your email address or your Gmail or even your Facebook credentials. Once you have created your account, click on Download Vmaker. If you are a Windows user, you can install the Vmaker Chrome extension, and if you are a Mac user, you can install the Vmaker Mac application. In this video, I'm going to be using the Mac application. Follow the steps that I'm doing right now to install the Vmaker app on your Mac. Once you have installed the application, choose the option to record screen and click on Start Recording. After the recording starts, go ahead and join the meeting that you want to record. Once you're done with the meeting, click on the timer with the Vmaker icon on the header of the screen to stop recording. Your video will now automatically be uploaded to the Vmaker cloud storage. Once the video is successfully uploaded, you can edit the video or share the video or even download the video and save it to your device. I hope this video was useful for you, so go ahead and start recording your Microsoft Teams meeting on Vmaker. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.